Hey, I picked up this 3 horsepower table saw just down the road. It was just sitting there. It was free, and I just grabbed it, pushed it down the road, made a ton of noise, brought it home. I've been debating on restoring this and selling it, or selling my 1 horsepower, and I just made a knee-jerk reaction of just swapping parts because I currently have 3 table saws in my tiny garage, and I'm trying to make stuff, and I don't have enough space. So actually, it looks like I have a lot of room, but that's because I have a bunch of stuff outside the garage right now. So the fastest way that I found to swap the motor is loosen the 2 bolts right here with the 9/16, and then the whole motor just slides out. And so I did the same thing on this side. Already swapped the arbor pulley, and so now all I need to do is get the right tool. And I was mistaken, this is a 1/2 inch. Power wire, it just comes right out. That's much smaller. A little bit of tension.